Hi guys, this is Joe Pullman down at Steet Toyota, and today I'd like to invite you in to show you how to connect your phone to Bluetooth on Toyota's new audio multimedia system. So on the infotainment system here, I'm going to hit the little cog for settings. I'm going to select the Bluetooth and devices tab. I'm going to search for devices, and on here it says Joe's iPhone, which is what we want. On my screen here it says Toyota Tundra, so I'm going to select that. It's going to give me a code to prompt pairing. Make sure that they do align with each other. I'm going to hit pair, allow sync. And as you can see, we are connected already. And then I'm going to take it a step further and use Apple CarPlay. And I'm going to select OK on the screen. Alright guys, as you can see how easy it was to connect your phone to Bluetooth with Toyota's new audio multimedia system. If you have any questions, give us a call here at Steet Toyota and come see why it's so easy to do business with us.